Hello everyone and welcome to a detailed walkthrough of this my construction website. And I'll be explaining um, the structure, the design, and the functionality of the website I created using the HTML and the CSS. So let's get straight into this. From the start, made I declared the doc type to be HTML. Started with my HTML tags. In my HTML tags, I have a title where I named the title to be construction services. I made a link to my style sheet, which is this style sheet, um, using the link attribute. Then in my body, I used a logic of the grandparents and the parent structure, where I used this portion to be a parent one. Sorry, I used the whole of this menu to be a grandparent, and inside the grandparents I have parents. That's three parents: parents one, parent two, then parent three, not in any particular order though. So in the parent one order, which is this one here, I have an anchor tag surrounding the home element, the about, and the why choose us, which when you tap on to send to a different website, so web page, sorry. And also I named this one the parent for, which also, sorry, the parent for is the logo here, which has the image inside, surrounded by div tags. The image also has a source, which is located inside my images folder here. um that's the image that is displaying here. Also the parents too, which is this portion here, which contains the services gallery and contact. I have anchor tags surrounding each and every one of them, leading to different web pages. So in the parents three here, this is this one here is outside of the grandparents. So I used this here. I have my my text inside of this grandparent. Sorry, with this parent, sorry. Yeah. Also with these guys here, I used hrefs to surround them. Yes. So let's move to the style sheet. In the style sheet section, we have the grandparents. I use the background color of this color. That's what you see here. I use padding 20 pixels for, so the padding 20 pixels will push the text 20 pixels away from the margin. Justify content to space evenly, so equal spaces between them. Display flex, as in they should all be displayed on a horizontal line. The flex wrap, that's no wrap, that's in they should not go to the next line when the size of the screen reduces. I've done the position of the grandparents to be fixed. I've given a top of 0 pixels. That's why I should hug the top of the page. Width of 100% and zero index of 1000%. Thousand, sorry. The parents one, I display flex, and also color should be white. That should be the color of the text. And the font family, I give it this type. In parents two, I did same for it. In parent three, I used position should be absolute, top 20 pixels, left 20 pixels, width 370, height 340. This one I used them, I was checking, not necessarily I learned these pixels by my in my head though, but I was adjusting it to fit how I want it to be. And the background color, this parent 3. Sorry, that's it here. This is parent 3, sorry. This is not parent 3, sorry. So parent 3 here, position absolute, top 200 pixels, the left 20 pixels from the left hand side, the width 370 pixels to fit what I want, height 340, and the background color should be orange. That's what I've gotten here. Parent 4 is just the image here. I gave him a width of 40 pixels for it to be cute somewhere here. In child 1, that is these elements here. I display them in line block, margin left of 10 pixels. Sorry. I also give him a margin of 10 pixels. I'm not sure it should be here. Yeah. Oh, oh yeah, it should be rather. I should rather remove this guy. Yeah. I don't know why I did that though. Now let me try something and see. Yeah, I think it's better. This one shouldn't be there. Yeah, it shouldn't be there. Margin left shouldn't be there. And in the child two, these are these guys here. In the child one, it covers for these guys and these guys. In the child two, a displayed inline block. Position should be relative. Bottom 90 pixels, left 40 pixels. I give him a padding of 13 pixels. And background color should be black or something like deep blue. Cursor should be a pointer. That's when it points on it. You can see the pointer is this. When it goes on it, it happens to be a pointer, and the color should be color of the text should be somehow orange, just the same as the background color here. Font size should be 13, and in the header two, that is. Let me see from here. Header two. Where that place header two. Yeah, that's NHBC construction. This guy here. So that's what header 2 has a font weight of bold, margin left 20 pixels, padding of 20 pixels, font size 40 pixels, the position should be relative, bottom of 30 pixels, and the color should be deep blue. In the paragraphs, these guys here, I give them position should be relative, bottom 80 pixels, left 20 pixels, padding 20 pixels. I also give them the same color, and I give them a font family of Times New Roman. The background, I give him a this is the background here, and it should I give him the source, that's the URL. It's found inside my images page. Then background size should cover. And also in parents one, parent two, parent three, I give them text color should be white, text decoration now. This is because by default when you place anchor tags around your child elements, um by default the color changes to blue, showing it's in an anchor tag. But if you want to apply your own color, you want your text color to override that of what has been defaulted, you do this property and with the color of your choice. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this section, this my website, and I'm hoping to improve on it. So bye for now.